forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No.
My lucky rat tail. Wise. Let me play with him. My broom. Amok. Amok, 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 amok. Hello my loves, today's video, if you guys could not guess by the look, is Sarahsanderson. Oh my gosh, I was dying when I put this wig on and this costume. Everything looks so great. I just love how this look came out. And guys, out of all the wigs that I've ever worn from like last year through this year, I have to admit, I think that this is one of my favorites. I mean, it's so bouncy and curly, and guys, this look was such a blast to put together for you guys. If you guys couldn't guess already, I am obsessed with Hocus Pocus. I just love these three witches so much. I even went online super early at Ulta. My sister surprised me with the palette and my parents, and then I bought 2 Lippies for myself. Yes, I hate mornings, I'm like Winnie, but that was so worth it. So I got the palette and I got 2 Lippies. I got Winnie's and I got Mary's, but Sarah's was sold out, and I was like, dang it, that would have came in handy to do this look. But I used her sister's shade to complete her look, and I love how this came out. So let me cut all this chit chat, and without further ado, let's get right into this video. First, I'm going in with my Morphe Eyeshadow Primer. I am now going to be taking my Hocus Pocus palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Come Little Children for my crease. Guys, I hate mornings, and I woke up super early just to line up and get this collection. Well, part of it anyway, and it is so worth it. I am now going to be taking the shade I Call It a Buzz, and I'm going to put that onto my lids. Sarah has this intense smoky eye that I just live for, and this was so much fun to recreate, guys. And let me tell you, this palette was so worth it. It is so pigmented. And then you just want to make sure that you blend that really well. I am now going to be taking that same shade, and I'm going to smoke out under my eyes. And now I'm going in with my Maybelline The Falsies Mascara. And now for my face, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Pure Beige. Instead of foundation, I just wanted to go with powder, and I love how this came out. It is now time for contour. I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Highlight and Contour Palette. It is now time for the eyebrows, guys. Now this was so much fun because Sarah has some oddly shaped eyebrows, and like I said, I mean, it's kind of fun to do eyebrows that aren't like, you know, your everyday makeup look. It's so fun to just do some crazy eyebrows, and I mean, I think that it looked pretty darn good. What about you? It is now time for the lips. I'm going in with my I Smell Children lip duo. What a funny name, guys. Look at how gorgeous this Lippie is. I just love the spiders on it. I mean, what an amazing touch. I am now going to be taking my eyeliner, and I'm going to be drawing Sarah's little mole or beauty mark, whatever you guys want to call it, and I think that this just finishes the look off, guys. I love how this came out. I'm really proud of myself. I love all of the witches that I created so far. I mean, they're all my favorite. I really can't choose which one I like the best. But guys, if you do recreate this, please don't forget to tag me in photos. I would love to see your recreations, and let me know what you guys thought about this look down below because I am obsessed. Alright my babies, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any more uploads from me, because I am so loving my Halloween series so far. Let me know what you guys are thinking of it so far. I had such a blast doing this video, guys. I can't even explain it. Like, this is so fun for me, and Halloween is the time where I really go all out because you get to produce these amazing looks and just have fun with it, guys. I mean, it's a win-win. And although this wig keeps flying in my face, I really love how this look came out. If you guys decide to recreate this really simple and fun look, then please tag me in photos. I would love to see your recreations, guys. And don't forget to run amok. And with all of that said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
It's barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.